My name is Teresa Todd. I've invested in hundreds of properties since 2018. Since then, I have built a multi-million-dollar real estate portfolio, and I am here to give you all my secrets.
Hello, beautiful. Well, welcome back to the Women's Real Estate Investors Network YouTube channel. In this video, I want to help you understand the importance of house hacking. This is to maximize your financial opportunities. So many people have never even heard or thought of all the things that you can do to create wealth with your own homestead. In an era where financial independence and smart financial decision making are becoming increasingly essential, understanding this concept of house hacking has gained significant importance. So house hacking is a strategy that empowers individuals to optimize your housing arrangements for financial gain, whether they are real estate investors or just everyday homeowners. There are several creative tactics for leveraging your living situation that can significantly impact your financial well-being. So what is house hacking? Well, it is a term often used to describe a strategy where individuals make strategic decisions about their housing situation in order to maximize their financial benefits. Many times it applies to people who are not even real estate investors, but want to leverage their living arrangements to save money or even generate income. So here's a breakdown for both real estate investors or everyday homeowners. Now, true house hacking usually involves purchasing a property such as a house or even a multi-unit building and living in one unit while renting out the others. By doing this, the rental income from the other units help offset or even cover the mortgage payments, reducing your housing expenses. In some cases, it may even generate positive cash flow, meaning the rental income exceeds the mortgage and operating costs, allowing you to profit. Or you could rent out a spare room in your homestead. If you own a home and you have some spare rooms, you can rent them out to tenants. This could be done on a short-term basis through platforms like Airbnb or a long-term basis through traditional rental agreements. By sharing your living spaces, you can generate additional income that can be used to offset your mortgage or cover other housing-related expenses. Okay, so what I just explained would be considered co-living, but you could also consider co-buying. This involves purchasing a property with friends, family, or like-minded individuals where you actually each own a portion of the property and share the costs and responsibilities. So overall, house hacking is about being creative and resourceful with your housing choices to optimize your financial situation. It can involve various strategies such as generating rental income, reducing housing costs, or finding alternative living arrangements that suit your financial goals and lifestyle. Now, several of you may not be very keen on the idea of sharing a living space. So my favorite form of house hacking is updating and or adding square foot to my current homestead, forcing appreciation, then selling it. The amazing thing is if you live in your homestead for 2 years or more, when you sell, you can make up to $250,000 tax-free if you're single. If you're married, you could double that, making up to $500,000 tax-free on that profit. Now, if you're willing, you could do this every 2 years, each time upsizing to a larger and more luxurious home. Before long, you could be living in your dream home in your dream neighborhood. So thanks for watching about house hacking. Make sure to like, comment, or subscribe, and let us know what you want to see in the next video. Hey, and if you're hungry to know more about how you could create financial freedom through real estate investing, look no further than She Can 23. This is the nation's largest event for women that are either already investing in real estate or wanting to learn how they can begin to invest in real estate. Join thousands of women just like you and I as we shatter the glass ceiling together and make history as women unlocking financial security by investing in real estate. Do not let this opportunity pass you by. This is going to be absolutely amazing. So take action now and secure your tickets at shecan23.com/YouTube. And as always, I'm Teresa Todd, encouraging you to dream big and be brave.